Okay, student, we will take on question number 6. Question number 6, it is said to you, write in tabular form. It is given in set builder form. How will you do? I will tell you, it is very easy once you know the methodology. It is given you symbolically x such that x is equal to n divided by n plus 1, where n belongs to a natural number. You know, capital N stands for natural number, capital W stands for whole number, and capital Z or I stands for integer. That you know. So, you see the nature first. N belongs to natural number first. So, natural number is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what is the limit of the natural number? Limit of the natural number is less than equal to 9. So, natural number up to 9, equal to 9 means up to 9. Natural number up to 9 will be considered in this equation. Take the value of the natural number up to 9 and solve it. That will be the member of the set. So, first natural number you pick 1 divided by 1 plus 1. So, numerator will be 1, denominator will be 1 plus 1, 2. So, 1 divided by 2. Now, second natural number is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 2 by 3. Similarly, if you go on, then last natural number is what? 9 in this question. So, last natural number is 9, 9 divided by 9 plus 1, 10, 9 by 10. This will be the answer. So, 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 4 by 5, 5 by 6, 6 by 7, 7 by 8, 8 by 9, and 9 by 10 will be the element of the particular set. Now, here it is given to you R such that 7R plus 5 is less than 36. R belongs to whole number. You need to find out the whole number value here. Here it would have been given R is equal to 7R plus 5. Then you would have put all the whole number less than 36 in this equation, and all would have been the member. But here you will have to find out only the whole number whose value after putting this equation will be less than 36. If you whole number starts from 0, put 0 here. So, value will be 5, isn't it? Whole number starts from 0, 1, 2. You can do in the working column like this, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and whole number it goes on from 0. Now, first value you put in this equation, it will become 5. 5 is less than 36. So, 0 can be, with 0 the statement proves true. So, 0 will be the element. Now, 7 into 1, next whole number is 1. 1 plus 5 is 7 into 1 plus 5 will become 12, because 7 1 is 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 is also less than 36. Therefore, this 1 also will satisfy. Likewise, 2 also will satisfy because the value will become 19. Likewise, 3 also will be satisfied because 3 7s are 21 plus 5 will be 28, which is less than 36. 4 also, 7 4s are 28 plus 5, it will be 33, which is less than 36. So, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 will satisfy. Whereas, if you give it 5, next whole number is 5, if you put it 35 plus 5, which is 40, 40 is greater than 36. That is not true in this equation. Therefore, the members will be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 will satisfy this equation. Could you understand? This all, and when R such that R is equal to 7R plus 5, that time putting the value of the whole number, what value comes, that could have been the member. But in this case, which whole numbers is satisfying, that whole number is the member. Could one try to distinguish this? And next fifth one I have taken P such that P is equal to 7m. M is an integer and limit of the M. First you work on this. See this. M is an integer. So, integer you take, integer limit is what? -1, from -1 till 3. -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 are the integer value. Now, put in this equation. So, -1 into 7 is -7. Now, those values, the equation values you have to take, because P is equal to 7m, not P such that 7m. No, P is equal to 7m. 7m's value will be the member. 7m's are what? 7 into -1, 7 into 0, 7 into 1, 7 into 2 and 7 into 3, all those are 7 into 1 -1 is 7, -7, 7 into 0 is 0, 7 into 1 is 7, 7 into 2 is 14 and 7 into 3 is 21. Up to 3 you can. Okay, could you understand? This will be the member. Now x such that x belongs to natural number. You have to pick the natural number in this case, and x q is less than 30. So, which natural number values q value will be less than 30? Natural number are 1, 2, 3, 4. So, whose q value? 1 q value is 1, 2 q value is 8, 3 q value is 27, 4 q value will be 64, which is more than 30, which will not fulfill this criteria. So, up to 3 natural number q value will satisfy this. So, member will be 1, 2 and 3, this will be the roster form. Try to practice all these things. Next day I will ask you quiz. Today you go through all, try to understand, then I will ask quiz from different book. Okay. Now, express in set builder method. Conversely, how will we do? X such that x is equal to 1 by n. This is easy. Set builder method to it is given in roster form, you have to convert into set builder method. Now, see here it is 1 is the first element, 1 by 2 is the second element, 1 by 3 is equal to. Here symbolically you will have to form it. See, these all are, these all numbers are, all natural number or whole number concept. No, it cannot be whole number, because something you are dividing, here the dividend is also there, the denominator is also there, something you have to divide. So, if you divide with 0, the first value will become undefined, isn't it? So, it cannot be. So, you are dividing by 1, it can be. So, these all are natural number concept. So, 1 by 1 it can be, so that it is 1. 1 by say, then next will be what? 1 by 2. So, 1 upon the numerator is 1, you see 1, 1, 1, 1, always numerator is 1. If form this one as this, no, this will be easier. So, what has happened? No, all numerator is 1. So, 1 upon something, these all are natural number, you see 1, 2, 3, 4 and goes on. So, the set builder form will be x such that x, that is the format, is equal to 1 by n, n belongs to natural number, isn't it? Very easy, no? See, if form this way, I will be. Now, next question is 0, 4, 8, 12, 16. See, all these number are the multiples of 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, like this 4 10s are 40, but 0 is also there, no problem. If it is a whole number into 4, 0 into first whole number into 4 will be 0 only, 4 into 0 is 0, 4 into 1 is 4, 4 into 2 is 2. So, what will you do? I have written y such that y, because x such that y, x will be monotonous for you. That is why you can take other variable to make you understand. I have taken y such that y is equal to 4a. Here I have taken a is the variable, 4 into, I have said these all are the multiples. So, 4 multiples will be narrated by the multiple of which number and a unknown variable. So, 4 into a, and a belongs to a whole number, it cannot be natural number. So, it would not be natural number, then it would have started from 4. 4 into 0. So, a belongs to whole number and a's value is less than equal to 10. You can very well write down a is lesser than 11. You can very well write down that. Okay. Now, next question is minus 24, minus 12, 0, 12. See the nature, that will be easy. This all again is the multiple of 12. You see 12 is 12, 12 2s are 24. This side also 12 zeros are 0. 12 into minus 1 is minus 12, 12 into minus 2 is 24. So, what will become? X such that x is equal to 12n, and n is an integer. In this case, n is an integer, but n has got some limit, because it has limited to minus 24 and 60. So, what will be the nature of n? Minus 2 less than equal to n less than equal to 5. You can very well write down minus 3 less than n less than 6, equal to you have given means from minus 2 to 5. Good to understand. If you put minus 2 to 5 in this equation, minus 2 into 12 is minus 24, minus 2 into next integer is what? Minus 1, 12 into minus 1 is minus 12, 12 into 0 is 0, 12 into 1 is 12, like this 12 into 5 means 60 up to 5. So, I hope you have understood. Go through all this, you will understand better. Doubt if any, I am always there, talk to me, and then you solve your homework.